guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, we will be doing a ZARA haul. So I've got skirts, tops, dresses and shorts for you guys. We're going to be doing the unboxing, try on and review of all the items. As always, I will be leaving my measurements in the description down below along with all the items that I've mentioned today. Let's dive in. Alright, so here's everything. And I'm going to start off with this draped polka dot dress in the colour red. We got this in a size extra small. Today is actually Chinese New Year and I just thought this dress would be perfect for dinner, and it arrived just on time. So this is a mini dress with a V neckline. It's got short sleeves, elastic trims around it, invisible side zipper, in this bright, beautiful red colour. It's got frills and raunched up detail throughout the body. It's pretty elastic around the top half section, so the top half are really stretchy, the sleeves are stretchy, the body not so much, and it's got a little tie-up bow detail on the front. So cute. This is so adorable. Like, tell me it's not cute. I love it. Everything about this dress, it's so comfortable, it's so easy to put on. Loving the neckline, it's super flattering. The sleeves are just so cute. You can have them up or you can have them down and just draping around your arms like that. And to add to the cuteness, you've got the little tie-up bow on the front. This dress is just the perfect length on me, and it actually just sits on me so nicely and still be flattering and comfortable at the same time. I love the big puffy sleeves. It's perfect for Chinese New Year. Probably gonna wear this tonight actually, and perfect for Valentine's Day. Absolutely in love. So this was another dress that I really wanted to try. I thought it was so pretty. It is a little more expensive than some other dresses, but this is in the New In collection and I just really love the design of it, the color of it. So this is the printed mini dress in the color sea green, and I got this in a size extra small. So the straight neckline, tie up adjustable strap in the middle, and your thin little shoulder straps. It's covered in the elastic detail in the middle, so it's very stretchy around here, and then you've got the ruffled hem at the bottom. I don't know what it is, but I am just loving this color so much. I think it's just so vibrant, so refreshing. Oh my god, adorable. I also really love this dress. It's giving me like fairy tale garden vibes. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. I love it. It's so flattering as well. The elastic hugs onto your body and accentuates your curves, so it's super flattering. I'm loving the combination of the straight neck detail and the thin straps. The straps, even though they're not adjustable, they sit just perfectly on me, and so is the length. It's not too long, sits right above my knee, and it's got the cute little ruffles down the bottom. I love this dress. Nothing bad to say about it. Next, we've got this crop top in the color Oyster White. Is this not the cutest thing ever? I love it. Features a V neckline with thin straps that are adjustable and this pleated detail throughout the whole top. It's just so pretty. So we got this in a size extra small as well. There is an elastic that runs through the back of the top, so the back bit is actually quite stretchy. The front section, however, is not stretchy at all. I know I haven't tried it yet, but I am in love. This is so beautiful, the details. With that, I'm pairing it with this beautiful cream color faux leather skirt. I got this in a size extra small. This is a high-waisted mini faux leather skirt with front pockets. See the pockets at the front, super convenient. The shape of it kind of looks like an A-line skirt because it flares out a little bit at the bottom. This is so smooth and soft, amazing quality. It's not stretchy at all, and at the front you've got a button and a zipper. I'm in love with this skirt. I think it's so beautiful, and it's super versatile. Straps on this top was way too long, so I'm super thankful for it being adjustable. And now it just sits so nicely. I am absolutely in love with the pleated detail. It's so pretty, so feminine, so delicate. The top ones, however, I don't know why, but they're standing up straight. I wanted it to kind of sit down like the rest of everything. It's kind of just like standing straight up, so I find that a little weird to look at, which is probably the only thing I'm not too much of a fan of. But I'm loving the thin straps, so simple, so elegant, and I am absolutely living for the back section. I love it. The leather skirt fits like a dream, fits perfectly around my waist, perfect length. It is a little hot and stuffy though, like all faux leather skirts or leather skirts in general. I feel like you can't really breathe through it, so it is quite stuffy. I just think this is super stylish, really versatile to wear. You can definitely dress it up from day to night, to formal to casual. And I seriously always have a habit of putting my hands in my pockets, if there are pockets. And this is so comfy. You can put your phone in it, put your keys in it. Amazing skirt. We also have another skirt. This is called the skirt with a slit. This is in the color ecru in a size small. It's meant to be a midi skirt, but it's definitely going to be a maxi on me. The material just feels so soft and amazing. It's kind of like a rib to knit material, and it's quite heavy as well. It also has a elastic waistband and then the drawstrings on the front, and then of course the slit on the back of the skirt. The whole skirt itself is really stretchy. I think my only concern is the length, so fingers crossed. Definitely a maxi skirt, but I'm not complaining. It sits right on my ankles and it doesn't drape across the floor, especially since it's white. It actually fits so nicely around the waist, even though it is a size small. The material is quite stretchy. It's also quite thick. To me, it feels like a smooth, fine knit material. I'm definitely loving the slit on the back. Makes it a lot more breathable and just a lot easier to walk in and move around in. The drawstrings don't actually do much in terms of tightening it up, but I do think the skirt is really pretty and it's really flattering, especially on your bum. This is one of the tops in my absolute favorite collection. This is in the Limitless contour collection, and this is just a cute, simple, basic little crop top. I already have these in different colors and I absolutely love them, so I wanted to get white as well because it's just so versatile and easy to wear. This is in the size extra small to small, so it is quite a small make, but it is very stretchy and it's so comfortable. The material is super soft. It's got this rib detail on it and it basically adapts to the shape of your body. It's got a straight neckline and it's made of nylon and elastane. So we also have these plush shorts. These are high-waisted, elastic waistband, and in the color Lagoon. We got this in a size small. Elastic, super stretchy, there's no pockets on the side, and it's made of 100% cotton. This is just super comfy, casual style, and it's the perfect little basic crop top. You absolutely need this, I'm not even joking. I have a few of these already, and it's my absolute favorite go-to top all the time. I just love the fitting of this so much. It's super versatile. I love the neckline, the straps, the length of the crop, the color, the ribbed material. Everything about it is so perfect. I'm literally thinking of getting backups just in case they stop restocking it. The shorts also fit me perfectly around the waist as well. It's so comfortable. These are perfect for going on walks, lounging around in, even going out. Like, they don't look like it's only for home, and honestly it's so comfortable. It's super soft, kind of like the jogger materials that you wear, but not as thick, so it's definitely not as hot. Absolutely loving these shorts and this whole outfit. Now this is the linen mini dress in a size extra small. Just look at this color. It's so beautiful, so refreshing, so bright and vibrant. It's called apple green. Definitely looks like a Granny Smith apple. I don't think I have anything in this color, so I'm super excited to try it. It features a straight neckline, really thin straps, a metal zip opening on the back, and also a tie-up detail on the back as well. This is made of 50% cotton and 50% linen, and you guys, this is so smooth, so soft. Actually feels like it's going to be so comfy. Material is definitely not stretchy, but the color and design is just so beautiful. For this one, the straps are a little too long, as you guys can probably tell. Like, it doesn't stay on at all, and it doesn't loop through the back section where you can tie it up and adjust it. So this is kind of just how long it's going to be. The straps on the back actually tie up this section here, so you can tie this bit really tight and it won't fall down. But yeah, the straps are just way too long, it doesn't stay on. I do love this color though. So I think because the straps are a little long, you've got all this material here and it kind of doesn't stay up like that. So you've got excess material on the front, but the bottom section is actually quite tight, so it doesn't go further down, and the length is actually perfect. This is a really cute dress. Such a shame. Maybe I can tie a little knot on the straps so it's not as long. Alright, that's the end of the video. How did you guys feel about the new in summer collection? I absolutely love them. Connect with me in the comment section down below. Love to hear from you. Please remember to like, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. It really helps me a lot. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now. Take care.